So thumb, ring, index, middle, ring. Then it changes. A minor major 7, thumb, ring, middle, index, ring. Then out to the A minor 7, same picking pattern as that one. Thumb, ring, middle, index, ring. Then back to the D over F sharp. Then to the F. A bit extra there with the picking. Then G over B, A minor. And then low A string again, and that little kind of Spanishy kind of slide, you know? Start again. And then for Blackbird, we're coming out of our last rundown section. So we repeated our whole thing, and we're coming down here. Then for the chorus, instead of going to the tag, we go straight to the 10th fret and the 8th fret, 8th fret root note. Pick, flick, pick, flick, pick, flick, pick, flick, pick, 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 flick, pick, flick, pick, flick, pick, flick, pick, 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 and then finishing there. So let's run through the whole Blackbird form for you too, just to get the whole thing in the right order.